Right, and we are back. Retro Myrtle Beach Guy. It's hump day. I'm just getting out of work. Dreary. But I thought we'd stop somewhere fun. I had somewhere in mind. We're over here at Imaginations Halloween Superstore. Here we don't have to wait for the season. Year-round Halloween store. And massive too. Anything you could ever good to have you around for lots of reasons. There you go, Imaginations. Costume and dance store too, in case you need a tutu or something. It's always good just for looking around. You can actually find fun accessories and stuff in there too. It's it's a fun spot. Place is so much fun and helpful. There's odd times when you'd be like, oh, I need a costume and it's nowhere near Halloween. What do I do? And then they're always right there. It's great. Right on the other side of the bridge too. So you can buy colored contact lenses here. Just throwing that out too, because they're not legal in Myrtle Beach, but they're legal right across the bridge. And you also have Habibi's Cafe, Magoo's, a lot of other cool places right here in the area. And Myrtle Beach Bowl. You know, I've never been here.
Barney boy.
Bowling has been an important tradition for every water buffalo for over 10,000 years. Yeah, the tradition stays alive. A little bit of water buffalo luck today.
Go, go, Buffalo! Go, go, Buffalo!
Have an arcade and a bar. Pretty great, man. And look at that homage to the water buffalo heritage. Nice stone pillars out front. If you look for the signs, you see them.
Doesn't get any better than this.
Why, you're out carousing with a bunch of Neanderthals?
Oh, really? Well, for your information, the lodge no longer accepts Neanderthals.
So that is Myrtle Beach Bowl. Pretty awesome atmosphere there, man. It's very retro. Had a nice time, and I haven't bowled in a decade, probably almost a decade since I've been bowling. I went one time when I first moved here. That was the last time. So, yeah, had to keep up on my good water buffalo rituals, and it's important that you do. These heritage, it's the heritage of the lodge. It's been around for 1,002,021 years. Can you imagine? Time's flying. Well, that was a lot of fun. And you know, there's another little thing that I've wanted to start doing, and this trip today afforded me this opportunity. So, Me? I'm just your average guy, I guess. I moved down here, 22 years ago. There was a little trouble up there, so yeah, I came down here to lay low. It's not a hard place to hide either. Everyone's on vacation, looking at their phones. Do I miss the lights, the excitement? Of course. There was a lot of action up there. It's a nice town. It's a good place to do it. 22 years, no one's noticed me yet. Hiding in plain sight, right? As long as you don't put any signals out, you'll be fine. The thing is about our thing these days is no one knows how to keep their mouth shut. Everybody wants to write a book. We used to be able to operate in private. Different times. What are you gonna do? Guys like us these days are a rare breed. Who knows? If things keep up this way, I might stay here another 22. What if someone sees this video? I'm not really worried about it. I'm not scared of Gorlak. I'm not scared of the Space Mafia. It's been 22 years. No one has spotted me yet.